Aki stirs soups, sauces, pasta, and other ingredients directly in the pot. It has 2 speed settings and sells for $55. Mitsumoto Sakari offers a professional Japanese-made knife sharpener. It works with angles from 14 to 24 degrees. The coarse and fine slots are compatible with a wide range of blades. The price is $35. Ninja Crispy is a compact air fryer with plenty of capacity. It's smaller than many other models, but can still fit a whole chicken and reaches cooking temperatures of up to 232 degrees Celsius. The price is $160. This Lazy Susan system is perfect for family meals. No more stretching across the table to grab the salad you like. It assembles in just 2 minutes and can be expanded with additional modules if needed. The basic version costs $99. Geedle chops and slices at lightning speed. While others spend 3 minutes dicing an onion, Geedle owners do it in just 15 seconds. It sells for $20. The Left & Sink lets you take your kitchen skills up a notch. Rinse, wash, and even chill, all with precise control over water flow and temperature. This sink is priced at $800. Kenmore is a multi-tool for the kitchen. It opens bottles and cans, and even sharpens knives. You can get it for $50. Pasta lovers, look this way. Have you ever heard of Sea Golden Wall? This machine comes with 12 cutting modules and makes not just spaghetti, but also fettuccine, penne, and other types of pasta, all in just 10 minutes. Sea Golden Wall is priced at $170. The team at Presto brings you this rotating oven. Like a conventional one, it's great for cookies, pizza, chicken wings, and more, but it uses 60% less electricity. The price is $84. Cut your avocado in half, remove the pit, and slice it up, all with one tool. 3 tasks for just $10. Here we have a meat tenderizer. Traditionally, you'd pound meat with a special mallet, but that method is noisy and inconvenient. This tool has 50 blades that create tiny pockets in the meat to speed up both marinating and cooking. It costs $23. The compact design of this smoker hides some serious potential. It works just as well for food as it does for drinks. Cheese, whiskey, and even ice cream can take on a smoky note in just a few minutes. The smoker sells for $118 and comes with cherry and applewood chips. The WineTel system is designed for wine storage. It not only maintains the ideal temperature, but can also pierce the seal and cap to inject argon into the bottle when needed. And with the press of a button, you can pour a glass of wine without ever removing the bottle. BlendJet 2 is a compact, battery-powered blender you can take to the beach or the office. It easily crushes frozen fruit and ice. Just 1 hour of charging is enough to make up to 15 cocktails. The price is $22. Sold under the name Cabinet Caddy, this compact but spacious cabinet organizer is great for storing jars. It's modular, comes with labels, and its clever rotating design makes it easy to grab exactly what you need. The price is $83. The Agastar Sapphire electric kettle is a great pick for vacations or business trips. It's collapsible, so it takes up very little space. It not only shuts off automatically, but also reheats the water if the temperature drops below 78 degrees Celsius. This kettle costs $26. This warming mat from Plateful keeps food hot by maintaining a temperature between 40 degrees Celsius and 120 degrees Celsius. It also features a timer that can be set for up to 72 hours. The mat costs $100. The team at Hava has created a compact dishwasher that doesn't need to be hooked up to a water supply. It uses just 5 liters of water per cycle and holds over 30 items. It sells for $324. Once for All is a safe vegetable slicer that keeps your fingers away from the blade. It dices, slices, and cuts both thick and thin strips. You can also switch cutting modes quickly without changing the blade. It sells for $37. The Joseph Totem kitchen trash bin stands out for its two 30-liter compartments. It also features an odor control system with replaceable carbon filters. The bin costs $251. Skip store-bought ice cream and make your own with Ninja Swirl. This machine creates delicious sorbets, creamy fruit-based ice creams, Creamy Fit, which is a high-protein, low-calorie dessert, and even frozen yogurt. The device costs $349. The PrepDeck Gen 2 station lets you carefully arrange the ingredients you'll use in your dish and makes working with them easier. Besides 14 plastic containers, the station includes a cutting board, a tablet stand, a vegetable peeler, and other useful tools. The price of the PrepDeck Gen 2 is $341. Berlinzo Premium is an ice mold that makes 6-centimeter spheres. They melt more slowly than smaller cubes, which helps keep your drink cold longer, making it a great choice for whiskey lovers. This ice ball maker costs $20. The Charmline set costs $100 and includes 4 knives, 3 cutting boards, a pair of scissors, a sharpener, and a case. The case is especially noteworthy, as it dries the boards in just 30 minutes and sanitizes them with UV light. Is your fridge always packed? Vacuum seal your food instead. This device costs just $135 and helps free up shelf space while keeping your food fresh up to 8 times longer. This next gadget carbonates water using CO2 cylinders. It stands out from similar products for its sleek, minimalist design. The price is $200. Do you eat a lot of pineapple? Then take a look at this knife. It lets you remove the flesh effortlessly and without splashing, and you can easily slice it afterward if needed. The knife costs $13. The pull-out organizer from RevaShelf brings you one step closer to a perfectly organized kitchen. This sleek 2-tier organizer is equipped with an advanced gas lift system, which means it not only extends but also lowers. It's available for $624. Coffee lovers, hit that like button. Here's a coffee maker with a built-in alarm clock that brews your favorite drink 5, 10, or 15 minutes after the alarm goes off. It even has a mini fridge for milk. This high-tech gem costs $429. Meanwhile, the Tofu D store offers this tofu press. Thanks to the automatic IntelliSpring system, this tool makes tofu more compact and easier to slice. The press costs $28. DraftPour is the latest beer dispenser from Physics. It's larger to fit both cans and bottles up to 750 milliliters, and it pours beer 25% faster. This dispenser costs $125. This device from Almond Cow makes oat, almond, soy, and other plant-based milks. Great news not just for vegans, but for anyone looking to expand their dietary options. It's priced at $275. This mini fridge from Califor is more than just a purchase. It's an investment in future parties. With a capacity of 180 cans, it helps keep your main fridge uncluttered. It's designed to fit both metal and glass containers and includes 3 removable shelves. The fridge costs $800. Belgian waffles are delicious, quick, and easy to make, especially with this waffle maker, which costs $50. It lets you combine the batter with sweet or savory fillings and divides the waffles into 4 sections, so everyone gets a share. KitchenAid has introduced a clever device for cooking grains and legumes. It weighs the ingredients, then automatically adds the right amount of water. It sells for $350. Ucopia FridgeView is a rotating fridge organizer that spins 360 degrees. It costs $15. KitchenDow presents its 2nd-generation cheese slicer. It holds the cheese with 50% more force and lets you swap out the cutting wire faster. It also works with butter and handmade soap. The price is $25. Enjoy popcorn anytime. All you need is the Whirly Pop Stovetop Popper for $38. Add the kernels, a few spoonfuls of vegetable oil, and place it over heat. In just 3 minutes, your popcorn is ready. You've washed your lettuce, now how to dry it. It's easy with this salad spinner. A couple of spins and the water's gone. Just press a button to stop the spinning. Simple and effective. It costs $30. Portentum has released a 2-in-1 dispenser. It pours and sprays. Super handy, especially for oil and vinegar. It holds half a liter and costs $10. Have a friend who loves both motorcycles and pizza. Then you've just found the perfect gift for them. This pizza cutter costs $13 and comes with a stand, so it can double as a fun kitchen decoration when not in use. This manual juicer is a professional model for squeezing oranges, apples, pomegranates, pineapples, and many other fruits. It requires minimal effort while delivering maximum flavor and nutrients. This juicer costs $387. The main feature of this organizer is its adjustable side panels. Thanks to them, it can expand in width from 33 to 57 centimeters. That way, it helps you make the most of the free space in your drawer. The price is $24. Do you have a kitchen torch? This one costs just $23, runs on butane, and creates a flame that reaches temperatures up to 700 degrees Celsius. The Pukbu team has introduced a sushi roll-making kit. It includes 8 items and costs just $24. What better excuse to dive deeper into Japanese cooking? Chef and Cob is an essential tool for removing corn kernels from the cob. Watch how skillfully it separates the kernels. Its price is $7. This device is suitable for both home and commercial use. It cuts potatoes, carrots, and other ingredients into cubes. It's especially useful for making French fries. It's electric and made of stainless steel. It costs $370. Durable nylon bristles and a built-in detergent compartment. Those are the secrets behind this brush's success. It costs $9. 2 knives come together to form a pair of scissors. How clever! They can be purchased for $13. With its 6 interchangeable attachments, this full-star kitchen tool isn't just for slicing vegetables. It also grates cheese, a must-have that doesn't rely on electricity. The price is $27. Just a regular coffee grinder? Not quite. This one can handle other ingredients too, even liquids, nuts, fruits, sauces. It's time to get creative with flavor. You can get it for $46. The Sous Vide Smart Cooker brings sous vide technology to your kitchen. It seals food in a vacuum bag and gently heats it to the exact temperature you choose. The device handles the heating process with 1.1 kilowatts of power for fast, precise results. This touch-free paper towel dispenser from Innovia works with most store-bought rolls and is priced at $95. The Bear Hot Pot electric multi-cooker has a 2-liter capacity and is designed to cook meals for 3 people. From oatmeal to steak, it handles a wide range of dishes. The Bear Hot Pot costs $35. You'll love this kitchen thermometer for its temperature range of -50 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius and built-in LCD screen. Whether you're checking steaks, jams, or beer, it makes the job easier. The thermometer costs $11. Mango lovers will appreciate this tool, which lets you reach the flesh quickly, gently, and without any effort. The price is $26. Philips Sensio is a milk frother that works with both hot and cold milk. A single 120 milliliter fill makes enough foam for 2 cappuccinos. It sells for $58. This WMF egg cooker holds up to 7 eggs and can make them soft or hard-boiled. Once they're ready, it lets you know with a beep. Convenient and easy to use, it costs $52. Made from natural bamboo and stainless steel, this press is perfect for making tortillas. The set includes 60 parchment sheets and costs $55. This tool is great for quickly slicing ingredients like grapes or cherry tomatoes. It costs $17. If you enjoy making pizza as much as eating it, this spatula is for you. Even sticky dough slides off easily, and it's just as useful for other baked masterpieces like baguettes. The price is $26. This handy gadget combines an egg timer and a piercer. Pierced eggs are less likely to crack during boiling and are easier to peel afterward. It costs $33. Slice a watermelon or melon into 12 equal perfect wedges with this $33 slicer. This brush is designed for cleaning cutlery. It removes dirt and food residue from both sides of a fork at once, saving you time. The brush costs $11. The Backfix silicone baking mat is an eco-friendly alternative to parchment paper. It's non-stick, so there's no need to grease it. It's dishwasher safe, and it withstands temperatures up to 230 degrees Celsius. The price is $18. This electric crepe maker from Moss & Stone is so simple to use that each crepe takes just seconds to make. Simply dip it into the batter. Its temperature adjusts automatically. This crepe maker costs $50. Tired of sharing the office microwave with your coworkers? Check out this electric lunchbox from Nostalgia. It holds about 600 milliliters, plugs in a few hours before mealtime, and gently warms your food. It costs $20. For just $10, you get a roll of 500 labels, but these aren't ordinary labels. They dissolve. Just 30 seconds in water, and they're gone. They're also microwave safe and can withstand temperatures from -40 to +176 degrees. The Kenwood chopper makes cooking more enjoyable. It can even chop nuts and ice, and it can be operated with one hand. You can get it for $51. This grater combines style and function. First, it's available in several colors, so you can pick the one that best matches your kitchen. Second, it can grate cheese, carrots, chocolate, and other foods. And third, it works 12 times faster than similar products. Its price is $51. The Xylus grater works very well for cheese, but also crushes nuts, chocolate, and other foods. Best of all, it's suitable for left-handed users. Its price is $25. Dry your dishes and utensils the smart way. This rack can hold up to 30 kilograms and channels excess water straight into the sink. It sells for $30. Give us a like if you're a fan of ice cream. This gadget helps you make it fast and without milk, cream, or sugar. It costs $67 and includes 6 interchangeable attachments that make each serving look just as good as it tastes. The Well2Be CS668 is a fantastic tool for making veggie pasta from zucchini, apples, and more. No more wrestling with a knife. Just invest $52 in the Well2Be CS668. This battery-powered salt and pepper grinder set costs $12 and comes with a fun twist. To season your food, just flip the grinder upside down. This set includes 4 containers that are especially handy for storing halved fruits and vegetables. The stretchy silicone film provides a secure seal and makes them more compact than regular containers. The set costs $12. This set of 3 silicone oven guards costs just $5, but their value is undeniable. They withstand temperatures up to 220 degrees Celsius, attach directly to oven racks, and protect your hands from accidental burns. Do you have Nespresso capsules scattered all over your kitchen? Better store them in this organizer. It holds 40 large or 52 small Virtuoline capsules and sells for $172. This unusual knife cuts cheese in a very interesting way. Want an ultra-thin slice like in pre-sliced cheese you buy at the supermarket? No problem. Need slices about 6 millimeters thick? Of course. The knife is also suitable for mozzarella and costs $17.